Back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a video so you can watch it. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you coming back each and every time to watch my video. Let's talk about this unit that I have on. It is a custom made closure unit. All right, so since it was a closure, it was easy to put on. I did adhere it a little bit, you know, like just right here, and my baby hairs look a little stiff right now, but don't worry about that. Okay, this particular wig maker is Black owned. All right, and I happened to find her in one of the wig groups that I am part of, and this is what I have. All right, so this is a 4x4 lace closure. The color is black with a little bit of brown, as you guys can see. This fits a small head size, so this is perfect for me. And the price of this unit, you guys, was $75. Yeah, it was a fairly reasonable. All right, I would say it was fairly reasonable. It was on sale. Let's just put it like that. It was on sale. The length is 24 inches. Like the fact that it came with all these little cute goodies. It came with hair jewelry. She brought she also put in a wig cap. She put in some eyelashes. Those things are really, really appreciated. I don't have too much to say about this besides that I think it's really cute. It's easy to install and just go out the door. I think it's a bit thick for me because I don't like really, really thick hair, but I think I can manage it. I love the color. The color I think is absolutely gorgeous. I think the color is gorgeous, like the brown and the black. I think that's stunning. I think it really, really complements my skin tone. I'm typically like a side part type of person, and I like the fact that it's even like a middle part, and I really think this looks like my scalp. Like this really looks like my scalp. Does it look like my scalp, y'all? I think this really looks like my scalp. Don't come for me for my baby hairs, you guys. I'm not good with doing baby hairs. I typically actually don't wear them, so I'm shocked that I have them on in this video. But one other thing I kind of don't like is how it's so square on the top a little bit. I wish it fell naturally down a little bit more. And since it's a closure wig, I don't think I can necessarily wear it like on the side. There's not that many different ways I can wear it. So I guess that's like one con, but it's a closure wig, so, you know, I shouldn't be expecting that. Oh, I guess I could put it up like that, right? Put it up like that, yeah. That would be cute, right? Yeah, I could put it up like that. Oh, that would be kind of cute. Okay. I love the bohemian, earthy type of natural vibes. I had to bring you another black owned company, you guys, a black owned wig maker for my series on showcasing black owned companies. I typically do it back to back during the month of February for African American History Month. So this is what you're getting. If you want more details about this particular wig maker, she's a custom wig maker, I will leave all of her information down below. All right. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave those questions in the comment area and I will be sure to answer them. I want to put it up. Like if I put it up right here, you'll see it. But if I put this down, right, and put this down. If I put it up like that, put this down a little bit. But if I put it up like that, I think it's so cute. Yeah. 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 Ooh, I like the bohemian vibes, child. Yeah.